told your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your comment problem on Instagram. So if your action blocked on comment and you just can't comment someone post on Instagram, so how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to wait some time. So also you can sometimes Instagram just unblock this action for maybe 1 hour or 1 day, sometimes for 1 week or more. So you just need to wait some time until it will Instagram will allow you to comment on someone post. And if it doesn't help you and you just need to do it now, so you can also try to log in into another from another device to your account, and also you can try to use another network. So just go to network, and if you're using mobile data, just try to turn off mobile data and just try to use Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi and use only Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi. So this is a way how you can also try to do it, or you can try to use VPN, so sometimes it also helps. So just try, I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.